Bureau County. I know it covers this.
Location.
This thing activates so late sometimes.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Putnam County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Bureau County in north-central Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Putnam, or near
When that
Putnam,
lightning struck,
moving
the
east at
signal,
50
like, fluttered.
miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles
The
per
signal,
hour
like,
with gusts
went like
and
blah, blah, blah.
half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
You're getting good signal.
Impact, hail damage
Yeah,
to
not
vehicles
bad.
is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hennepin, Spring Valley, Depew, Granville, Tuscaloosa, Bureau Junction, McNabb, Putnam, Mark, Magnolia, Standard, Milo, Providence, Lake Thunderbird, Floyd, and Lone Tree Corners. This includes Interstate 180 between
Hopefully
mile
the signal
markers 1 and
maintains
6.
during the rain.
For your protection, move to
I
an
think it
interior
will,
room
'cause
on
it's
the
not
lowest
outside.
floor of a sturdy building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground
There's rain all
lightning.
over the place outside.
Seek shelter
Yeah.
inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect
There's just, like,
until
little
11
blips
p.m. for
everywhere.
north-central Illinois.
Yeah.
We're either going to get a lot or we're going to get completely gapped.
I think we'll get some rain, but I don't know if we're
A
getting
severe thunderstorm.
Yeah, we'll see.